Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy FX. So I'm actually heading out now. I just showered, finish, so I'm going out with a friend of mine. So I'll just take you along the journey. Everything I do, I'll take you along. So let's go, guys. So guys, I dress really simple and straight to the point, guys. You like the Alright, so I just dress really simple, just nice, something simple, just to have a nice time and stuff like that. Alright, so let's go, guys.
Forex trade. How's been your forex journey? Fantastic. So he's trading with me, but he's not the forex trader. He's one of our friends.
So what's good, fam? So welcome back to my screen. So I'll just be breaking down this simple trade I took, and I used it to flip my small account. I think I took it and I did a short video on this, but I'll just be explaining why I took this trade. This is on gold, by the way. This is gold chart on the 1 minute time frame. All right, we know that gold most of the time is mostly bullish, but we don't just take trades because we know that gold is bullish. Understood? There are some certain things you have to work with. You have to work with the market structure, current market structure. Is it bullish or is it bearish? In this case, gold was bullish and I was anticipating to take a buy. All right, so anticipating to take a buy, all I just did is for me to wait for my 10 liquidation zone. I have a strategy that I trade personally, is my own personal strategy. I created the strategy myself, adding a lot of confluence, CRT, MSNR, order block, ICT. I added a lot of concepts to create that one strategy called the 10 FX liquidation zone. So all I just need for price to do is for price to give me an entry. You understand? But there's a way I frame my entry. Let's say I have an entry like this, a break of structure. Obviously you can see for yourself a break of structure right here. After this break of structure right here, so after this break of structure, there will definitely be a fair value gap right here or an order block just right here. Right, there will be another block right here. So what am I anticipating to do? I don't want to trade with the other block directly. You understand? What I want to do is I'm working with market structure. I'm anticipating price to give us some sort of inducement or liquidity just above the zone, then price tapping into my zone. So I want to see a little push upwards. So price tapping into my zone just like this. After seeing this little push upward, what most traders would do is for them to enter directly just right here. And it is not actually bad because I used to take trades like that before. It is a very good way of trading. It is not bad, but sometimes you will just get taken out. You understand? So this is what I target this eye. We have a fixed risk reward, but this setup, what I did is I didn't enter like this. What I did was I waited for price, because gold like taking out liquidity. I waited for price to do something like a little pullback to somewhere around here, then to enter my buy to the upside. You understand? So this is what I wanted to do that on that day, for price to do something like this and keep going up. So that was my initial plan, and at this zone, this point, I know that this point is a sort of resistance level that can push price down. So I entered my trade around this zone. Targeting this eye initially, or this eye, because it might serve as a QML also, targeting this eye. But what did price do? Price got to this zone, then started giving me some sort of weak rejection. All right, when I saw that, I was like, okay, there's high probability that price will push back down. So I got out of the trade, and unfortunately for me, price smashed my full take profit. So here is the simple setup. Here is how simple the setup was. Look at it. Look at what I said. After I got this break of structure to the upside, I waited for a little inducement, which is somewhere around here. Little inducement. This is my supply, my demand zone. Waited for a little inducement right here, liquidity for price to take. Price came back, tapped into this my zone. After tapping my zone, right after price tapped into my zone, I waited for a small push to the upside, and this place is what I said. This could be some sort of resistance zone for me. All right, some sort of resistance zone for me. So let me adjust it. Some sort of resistance zone for me. So immediately when price tapped this, I was waiting. Then price retraced back. I jumped into my trade. Okay, my stop loss was a bit tight, somewhere around here. So price then pushed to the upside, got here. You can see this weak rejection. You can check my short. The last short I posted this weak rejection. Then I tried to zoom off this chart. I almost flipped my account, the very small account I was trading. And at this point, I got around 1 to 3 hours. So I almost flipped my account. So I got off the chart, which my intended take profit is just right here. I got off the chart, but price eventually went to smash my full TP. So this is just a simple breakdown of the trade we took. And I also traded VIX75, and I'm getting back to back. So about the prop firm challenge, I'm taking my time to get some things right before getting the prop firm. I don't want to jump into trading the prop firm. So if you watch this far, you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and join the family. I have a free Telegram channel where I share free trading setup. You can do well to use the link in the description to join. And if you want to sign up with the recommended broker I trade gold, I trade volatility 75 synthetic indices. You can use the link below there. If the broker I recommend, use it to trade your account and make profit, guys, and withdraw your profit. All right. This year should be a very important year in your life. Do you understand, as a forex trader? So don't go low, increase that lot size. Don't trade demo, trade live account, blow fund again till you get it right. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. God bless you for tuning in. See you guys. Peace out.